I personally believe that spending your hard-earned money shouldn't just be for things that get consumed in a matter of minutes. Smart consumption is choosing to spend on things that aren't just for pure leisure, but for things that can make you go better, faster, more productive, and more efficient in life. As a millennial, I would recommend to spend on these 4 things to improve your lifestyles. The first one is gym. I don't just exercise because I want a great body to boot, but because it also improves my brain performance. There's this fun TED Talk by Wendy Suzuki that explains that exercising and working out improves your mood and your memory for your brain, and in the long run protects you from other diseases such as Alzheimer's. Number 2 is traveling. Millennials are often perceived to be traveling just because they need to post things on Instagram, but I think we can work harder than that. I travel not just because I want to have fun, but also because I want to learn new things in life, a better version of myself, how I see the world, for example, and how I treat other people. It isn't just for pure leisure, it's also an investment as well. Third is your accommodation. Now, I do understand that living in the city center is more expensive, but research has shown that people who live closer to work and get to have lesser commute time are way happier. And that's very obvious because you have more time for sleep, more time for binging on Netflix, more time for relaxation, for example. Remember that your environment primarily influences your emotions, your mood, and even your health. And these are also critical drivers for your success. Last but not the least, smartphones. Now, I do have a thing for people who buy smartphones just because they want to wear it like accessories or clothing, and that doesn't just give justice to them because they're meant to improve your productivity. So invest in one that has great camera quality with dual SIM capabilities, and also those that have 8GB processing that makes it so fast to use. Which of these 4 have you invested on lately? Remember, the choice remains to be yours, but it is up to you in deciding how you want to become a better person and have your lifestyle also improve. I wish you the best and good luck. My third book, Single, Taken, or Building My Empire, is now available in all leading bookstores in Asia. For more information, log on to jonathanyabut.com.